Hello YouTube, I am back again with my Two Braid Man Bun tutorial. So as you see, I'm combing my hair out, prepping it for the braids. I will be using a wide tooth comb so it won't snug or tag or anything like that. I will be using a smaller comb as you see with my blow dry on low warm setting, so the high heat will not damage my hair. Um, so I just brush me with a comb and blow dry until I feel like it's not doing what it's doing now, like getting stuck and all that. So I keep combing it out, and you will see me shortly. Yeah, I'm gonna do my part down the middle. Y'all, I suffer from dandruff. And to see my scalp this clean, you don't understand. You do not understand. My scalp is clean and healthy and everything. So, you have seen me do like some little, finishing touches on it. But looking at it from this angle, it looks even. But when I was looking at it in the mirror, it was looking a little wonk. So, a little lopsided or whatnot. So, like, y'all listen, so today at school, we had a lockdown, right? So we was like on lockdown for like a good hour, like hour or 45, 30 minutes. No, it wasn't no 30 minutes, 45 to an hour. Child, I was like, it's another day at school. So you see, I'm using I do not know what they call them clips. I just call them clips. So you see me clips the hair out the way. I need to look up the name of them because I do not like calling stuff things and that and this and that. No, I like to be, use the correct term. So you'll see me comb the hair out with the smallest tooth on that comb that everybody got. If you ain't got that comb, but hell to you. Cause everybody and they mama, daddy, sister, brother, uncle, sister, daddy, cousin got that comb. I had to have my mouth, child, with that gorilla snot on it was not very tasty. So you see me get some gorilla snot, the green kind, and just like put it along my part. I put too much in. I ain't gonna say too much. I just put a good amount in the back, and it was like feeling a little slippery. So I was like, oh Lord, can I catch this? But my hair is short. I don't even think it's an inch. It may be a couple of centimeters or some, child. I don't know. But I don't think my hair is like a good inch. And I can grip it. So that is wonderful. So you see me comb out the hair. Put some on both sides. And y'all, this I had to try. It's this little bendable tripod, and I got it like all the way at the top where the lights at in the bathroom. Child, that is a lifesaver. Do you hear me? I had to look. I looked up every once in a while, but it's not. You won't see it. But I hated in getting like my whole head or whatnot, but that's okay, cause you get the picture. And I got this comb that I had burnt. Like the bristles on it was like normal. And I'm like, I want me a hard brush, so I just turned the stove on and burnt the bristles down. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot. It's just that I just don't want to get on here and, do a voiceover and just be quiet. Like, no, I need to, I don't know. Y'all, and don't forget to check out my other video on Eunice lace closure, me plucking and customizing it. That will be in the description box below. So now you see me starting off to braid. It was really slippery, but baby, when I tell you my knuckles and everything was in it was in it, baby. So you just watch me just do this little braiding. And y'all do not understand the struggle. It took me like 3 years. Well, wait, was it 3 years? Yeah, it took me about like 3 years to learn how to braid to the scalp. And once I learned how to braid to the scalp, you couldn't tell me nothing. Do you hear me? Nothing. And then when I learned how to braid my own hair to the scalp, you definitely could tell me a D thing, not a D thing. Do you hear me? So I've been doing these little braid outs and twist outs and stuff like that. Plaits here, plaits there. I've been doing that for a while, so I'm kind of used to it now. But my hands still get tired. There you go, right there. Hands were getting tired. But I ain't stopped now. I did not stop. Oh, yes I did. Look at me lying. Trying to play it off. Yeah, my hands was tired, honey. What to me is right there? My muscles, whatever that is. My muscles, they was starting to burn. That's right. You take a break. You ain't taking no break, child. Whatever you doing. Like, when I used to normally do this, I used to add weave in it, but I was like, I'm not gonna do all that. It's like, that's where you still die. It's like, I don't want to put nothing in my hair. Like, that blow dry, he better be glad he even made it in my head. Like, I don't want to do nothing that'll damage my hair. Like, this dandruff has, like, gone away. Y'all don't understand, baby. I was gonna say, if I get the dandruff back, I'll let y'all see it. But, hell, if that shit gone, let it stay gone. So you see me just clip the back. I don't put no rubber bands in my hair. Don't do that. Cause that rubber band break your hair off. So I'd rather just use these little clips. The worst they do is just have a little snug tug here and there. But that's okay. That is alright. So see, oh Lord. I'm glad y'all cannot see my TV just went in power save mode, and I'm in this room in the dark, and I got a little scared, but it ain't do nothing to me. So I had to add a little bobby pin over there because my hair was sticking up. So I had to put some gel and bobby pin it down so it could stay down, and it worked. It worked. So now y'all see me gelling it up. I should do like a skin routine. Cause baby, listen here. If y'all know me, y'all know I suffer from raisin bumps like hell. I'm just random raving and stuff, y'all. I'm sorry. But I should do a skin routine next. But now you see me braiding it to the scalp. Y'all, I'm sorry I'm getting tired, but hey. It's okay. It is alright. It's okay. It's like 10:20 something here. I'm in Florida. It's like 10:20 something. And like, I know I gotta go to school tomorrow. I set my alarm for 6 o'clock. And I stay asleep. Well, I wake up and doze on and off to 7:14. Well, 7:15. I get up, get dressed. I don't know. I will take my time getting dressed because my bus comes at 7:44. Leave the house at 7:38. So I just take my time. Well, lately I've been leaving the house at 7:30 to catch the golden hour. Child, when I tell you that golden hour is nothing to play with, it is nothing to play with. So now you see me doing whatever I'm doing. I think I'm putting the clip back there. What's going on, Juan? What you doing? Yeah, I think I'm putting the clip back there. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm putting the clip back there. So, this is the final look, you guys. I don't see no more change I need to do. I removed that bobby pin and made sure everything was everything, felt around, made sure it wasn't no lumpy, bumpy, thumpy. And this is the final result. Do you hear? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And catch me in my next video. Like, I am waiting to see you guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.